In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Unbelievaboat in Discord. By the end of this guide, you'll have this versatile bot up and running on your server, ready to enhance your Discord experience with its exciting features. Let's start by logging into Discord. Open your web browser and head over to discord.com. Once there, you'll see an option to log in. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. Carefully type in your email address and password, making sure everything is accurate. Then hit that login button and you'll be taken to your Discord dashboard. Next, it's time to invite Unbelievaboat to your server. The easiest way to get started is by visiting the bot's official website. You can find it by searching Unbelievaboat invite on Google or simply by going directly to the Unbelievaboat site. Once you're on the correct website, look for the Invite to Discord button. When you click on it, you'll be navigated to a page prompting you to authorize this action. At this point, you'll need to select the Discord server where you want Unbelievaboat to be active. You should have the necessary permissions on your server to add the bot. So from the drop-down list, choose the correct server. After ensuring your selection is accurate, click on Continue. The next step is authorizing the bot, which you'll do by clicking Authorize. When authorization is successful, you'll find Unbelievaboat listed among the members on your server. Now that the bot is there, let's make sure everything is working as it should. It's time to test out Unbelievaboat's core functionalities. To do this, head over to any of your text channels in the server. Here, you'll want to type out a / command. Specifically, type / work and hit enter. This command is one of the basic ways to interact with the bot, and executing it should elicit a response confirming the bot is active and listening. If everything has gone according to plan, you should now see the bot responding to your command. This indicates that Unbelievaboat is successfully set up and ready to use. You can explore more commands and see what else the bot can offer to enhance your server activities. From managing point systems to hosting minigames, the possibilities with Unbelievaboat are impressive. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of setting up Unbelievaboat in Discord. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful in getting you set up without any hitches. Enjoy the new functionalities the bot brings to your server, and feel free to explore further. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting on Discord.